Hi guys, today's book is called Biscuit, and Biscuit is this cute doggy. Let's read this fun book together. This is Biscuit. Biscuit is small. Biscuit is yellow. Time for bed, Biscuit. Woof woof. Biscuit wants to play. Time for bed, Biscuit. Woof woof. Biscuit wants a snack. Time for bed, Biscuit. Woof woof. Biscuit wants a drink. Time for bed, Biscuit. Woof woof. Biscuit wants to hear a story. Time for bed, Biscuit. Woof woof. Biscuit wants his blanket. Time for bed, Biscuit. Woof woof. Biscuit wants his doll. Time for bed, Biscuit. Woof woof. Biscuit wants a hug. Time for bed, Biscuit. Woof woof. Biscuit wants a kiss. What a cute doggy. Time for bed, Biscuit. Woof woof. Biscuit wants a light on. Oh no, he's afraid of the dark. He's too small. Woof. Biscuit wants to be tucked in. Woof! Biscuit wants one more kiss. Woof! Biscuit wants one more hug. Woof! Biscuit wants to curl up. Sleepy puppy. Good night, Biscuit. Oh, what a cute story about Biscuit and his girl. They're so cute together. Thank you guys for reading with me. See you all next time. Bye bye.